This look like a little something different, man.
This is that go fast juice. You wanna go fast? This is what you go fast with right here.
What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally made it down here to lovely Los Angeles, California, man. You guys know it was pouring down rain yesterday, but today is looking like it's clear blue skies, man, and I can't wait to get outside, man. So before we get this show on the road, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Happy New Year to you, man. We've made it this far to 2023, man, so it is a blessing, man. So shout out to you, and I appreciate your support. Meanwhile, man, today is about to be a hell of a day. We are about to get outside and go hop on our Harley, man. You guys know we sent our green and blue Road Glide down here to get finished up after we broke the chain off of it. We got the side covers painted and everything matched up. We got the wheels on there yesterday. I got the front fender, everything, and I got a seat, man. That thing is literally complete. So I'm actually about to go check it out. Hopefully I can get it cleaned up today, get it shining, and we can go on a first real ride today through the city of dreams, man. I can't wait. It's about to be a movie. Not only that, man, there's about to be so many bagger races going on today, man. 124s, 131s, 143s, and all the above. Any type of motor size you can think of on a Harley is going to be outside today in Compton, California, man. So I can't wait. So y'all gonna hang out with me today, man. In the meantime, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win my 2022 Road Glide CVO in the blue steel, man, now's your time to shine, man. I was actually gonna go live yesterday, but I've been in LA, man. So we out here just getting content. But as soon as I get back home, it's a movie. We about to go live, man. You guys already know what time it is, man. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your movies only pass for $25. That'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, we're about to be going live, seeing where that thing is going as soon as we get back. So I can't wait for that. Meanwhile, let's check out this view and see what we got in front of us, man. Yes, sir. Beautiful Marina Del Rey. Looks nice out here. Now this is how you're supposed to wake up in 2023, man. Palm trees, sunny blue skies, clear blue water, boats, ocean, all that in front of you, man. This is to more life in 2023 for everybody out there, man. See your dreams through, man. Keep pushing through. I can't wait. It's about to be a movie. Let's get down here and get in the car and get to the action. Because yesterday it was so much rain, we didn't really get to do nothing, man. They finished up my bike and I didn't even get to pull it out or nothing, man. So we're gonna figure this thing out and get this show on the road, gang. It's a movie.
So what's this, man? Because this look like a little something different, man. So let's fast.
This is that go fast juice. You wanna go fast? This is what you go fast with right here.
Yeah.
It's that special. Go. Nah, this motherfucker got 5% of nitrous in it.
Yeah.
You know, it's like jet fuel for these motherfuckers.
Jet fuel, huh? We're gonna see, man. I can't wait, man. Y'all see it here first, man. We putting out some things. Let's keep this thing out going. In the air. That thing went in the air. It went off the ground. I seen that. It went off the ground, y'all.
You got my gamer tag, nigga.
You got my gamer tag?
Look at that bitch living up every year.
Oh, gang deal. It's time to go yay today, guys. Certainly it's a movie, for sure. Y'all see what it is, man. We out here going, yeah. What it is, man? How you doing?
What's up, youngster?
How you doing, man? I ain't seen you in a minute. How y'all doing? What's up with you, man? How you doing? Good seeing you, man. Happy New Year. What's up, man? How you doing? Man, coolin', hell yeah.
We're gonna get some footage today, bro.
Oh yeah, I can't wait, man. You know what time it is, man. You know what time it is. Oh look, they coming in. To be a movie today. Oh, it's about to be a movie. What? It's about to be a movie today. Woo! Oh my God.
My God, every day.
What it is, man?
It's a movie.
How you doing? Yeah, most certainly. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. Look, he turned the bike off way down there. Bro. Y'all put up too sick, man. All the oohs and the ahs.
I got it on film.
Oh look,
what's up, brother?
Bruh, I know your drawers is wet right now.
Oh, I'm a willier.
You said I'm a willier. That's what I was trying to do.
I live to be in the air.
Okay, bet. Say
Go
less,
look at
man.
my Instagram page. You see what I do.
I'm gonna check you out there,
I like
gang.
being in the air.
You dragging the pipes for sure. I see
like
you, gang.
being in the air.
Yeah, that motherfucker was hard for
I
sure.
like being in the air.
No, it's good. What's up, man?
Ain't nothing new.
How you doing? Good seeing you, man. I'm good. How you doing?
I got the bins down the street.
Yeah, what up, man? Yeah, sure. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's time to go yay. It's about to be a movie today. It's about to be a movie today, man. Yes, gang. We got all the bikes and everything out here. What's up, man?
Hey, Terry, what's good?
How you doing, man?
Good. How's
Good seeing you. I know you. Where the bike at, man?
I put a check in,
man. What's up, man?
Yeah, bro.
How you doing?
Good.
Man, so you know I got my joint. I was just about to ask you. You know I got my joint over there, man. You know I've been waiting for you for a long time, man. He like, yeah, I hear you. Nah, it's good, man. It's good to see you, man. Yeah, for sure. What up, man? How you doing? Cool. What's up, man? Man, so can I get my run back or what, gang?
I ain't got my bike.
Oh,
same bike. I race you. I ain't got that.
Okay. It's all good.
What you got to do?
It's all good. For sure. It's good, man. How you doing?
How you doing,
Good seeing you, man.
You too, man.
For sure. Y'all see what's going on, though, man. We out here, man. We out here. All the oohs in the house. All the oohs in the house. The homies is pulling up left to right. Trying, man. You know what time it is.
what time it is, man. We got that road through. Everybody rolling through this joint. Everybody rolling through this joint, gang. Let's see what we got. Everybody going on this side. Look, I need to see who's in the house, man. Can they figure out no way? Oh my God, how you doing, man? Good thing, man. For sure, for sure. They got the joints out. They pulling up. We got the racers all up in here, man. I'm telling you. Is that Bill Boy Dre in the house? We got Bill Boy Dre. Is that Bill Boy Dre in the house? My guy. Yes, sir. What's up, man? How you doing? What's up with you? Good seeing you, man. Yeah, good seeing you too. For sure, for sure. It's out here today. That's what I can tell you, man. I can't wait. It's about to be a whole lot of action. It's starting to rain right now.